All right, kids, happy Thursday. Tomorrow you guys have your third math test. Today is Power Up F for lesson 24. 7 times 9 is 63. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10. 9 times 6 is 54. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 9 is 36. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 8 is 56. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 9 is 72. 2 times 2 is 4. 10 times 10 is 100. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 7 is 42. 2 times 8 is 16. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 9 is 18. 7 times 1 is 1. Sorry, 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 5 is 20. 6 times 8 is 48. 2 times 4 is 8. 0 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 9 is 27. 6 times 6 is 36. Mental math. Show all your work, all your answers in the middle. 3 feet equals 1 yard. How many feet is in 12 yards? So for every yard, there's 3 feet. So you have 12 yards, or 12 groups of 3. 12 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 times 3 is 3. 36 feet. B says 40 times 8 plus 8 times 2. 40 times 8 and 2 times 8. 8 times 0 is 0, and 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 2 is 16. 320 plus 16. 0 plus 6 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 plus nothing is 3. 336. C says 42 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 4 down, 1 up. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 1 is 29. 294. Take a look at D. D says 42 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 down, 1 up. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1 is 25. 252. Let's try to get all of that on the screen. E, please. It's what's 1/2 of 40. Now, we skipped an investigation that had fractions in it. So when we get to these ones with fractions, I'm going to be teaching as we go so we get all of our lessons in. Whenever we take half of something, we're actually going to divide it by 2. Divide by the bottom number. So 40 divided by 2. How many times does 2 go into 4? 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract and you get 0. How many times does 2 go into 0? 0. So half of 40 is 20. Now it says, what's 1/4 of 40? Divided by the bottom number. So we have 40 divided by 4. How many times does 4 go into 4? 1 time. 1 times 4 is 4, and you subtract, you get 0. How many times does 4 go into 0? 0 times. 10. And now the last one says, what's 1/10 of 40? Divided by 10. How many times does 10 go into 40? 10, 20, 30, 40. Goes in there 4 times. 4 times 10 is 40. So we'll keep working on those. We'll see those every day now for a while as we continue with our math book. All right, H. 6 times 3 equals 18. Fix this. 18 plus 2 equals 20. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. And 8 divided by 2 equals 4. All right, mental math done. Problem solving, problem of the day. We got blank for blank. minus 300 and something 2 equals 58. Now guys, we notice it's 58 that there's no hundreds there. And so in order to get to no hundreds, this is probably 3 minus 3, or if we need a regrouper, 4 minus 3. So we know the hundreds got to be a 3 or a 4. What number minus 2 would equal 8? Well, 8 plus 2 is 10. So you need a 0 here, and we're going to need a regrouper. Well, if we're going to need a regrouper, we've got to cross this out to be a 3. So 3 minus what number equals 5? Well, you can't take 3 times something and get a 5, so you're going to have to borrow from over here. That would make this a 4. Cross it out, you get a 3. 13 minus what equals 5? 5 plus what equals 13? Second, still subtract. 13 minus 5 is 8. Let's check it out. 440 minus 382. Cross it out, make it a 3. 10 minus 2 is 8. Cross it out, make it a 3. 13 minus 8 is 5. 3 minus 3 is nothing. 58. All right, guys. Flip her over. In this lesson, we actually only have those 2 examples, but we have a lot of problems. So let's go ahead and divide it into 6, and we'll try to fit all those in 6 of our boxes. Remember, when we get to example number 1, that's going to go right here in this box. Example number 2 right here in this box, and then we'll move on with some of the lesson practice about it. Make sure you fill the back up. God bless your day.